Meet the IncuSafe series High Heat Sterilization Cycle CO₂ Laboratory Incubator from PHCBI brand products, delivering an optimal in vitro environment for cell growth that closely mimics in vivo conditions. The IncuSafe features a user-friendly touchscreen that can be used while wearing gloves, and it includes a USB drive that enables you to easily download parameter and door opening history. The new reversible handle offers easy access even in stacked setups. The PHC single-beam IR sensing system incorporates 2 sensors to deliver precise CO₂ control. This allows the system to perform auto zero-point calibrations continuously while providing real-time CO₂ density measurements and control. The new air jacket heating system, featuring a single unified heating circuit, provides precise and uniform temperature control and doubles as heaters for the high heat sterilization system. The new insulation offers higher resistance to help retain heat during normal operation and reduce heat leakage during high heat sterilization. The control panel tracks sterilization cycles, ensuring the incubator remains in proper working order throughout its lifespan. The IncuSafe interior combines the germicidal properties of copper with a corrosion resistance of stainless steel. It features a seamless design with integrated shelf channels for easy cleaning and a UV LED that performs active background contamination control without affecting cell culture growth. The new long-life UV LED is designed for long-term reliable operation to help maintain trouble-free operation. All of these features work together to minimize the potential for culture contamination. A high-quality incubator is essential for any lab. Your lab needs the IncuSafe series from PHC. Call your local representative or visit us on the web for more information.